Hey guys, day 14 out of 100 to go from zero to $10,000 a month. Today was a slow day. I did procrastinate a bit, but then I wanted to build some clarity today. That's why I have built up my warm-up calendar. That's all I did today. Planifying. I have all my goals, everything I have to do here in the warm-up. Very clear. The green one are for resting and vacation, and that's what I have to do for this year 2026. If you want, I will leave a link for the warm-up calendar in the description. And after that, I did play some sport. Like my body was a bit tired, and I got tired easily this past day. That's why I decided to play some sport, play some soccer every day. I played some soccer for 2 hours, for 1 to 2 hours, and then right now I want to go to sleep because I have an exam coming tomorrow. I will go sleep so I can wake up fresh and early to study for my exam. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to follow the journey, and see you tomorrow on day 15.